Hello, I'm ABC 13 Chief Meteorologist Travis Herzog with your 1-minute weather forecast. We are in good shape as we head towards the evening hours. A low risk that we do get some minor accumulations of ice on some elevated bridges and overpasses, but we think overall an optimistic tone as we head into the evening because the rain chances will be diminishing as the freeze line is arriving, and we're getting enough of a break between the rain to see a lot of the moisture get evaporated from the ground from what fell last night. Now, we are expecting that freeze line to migrate into Houston by 6 p.m. And then after that, if there's any moisture around, any precipitation falling from the sky, we could start to see a few icy problems spot up, but we think they will be few and far between. Now, it is going to be very cold. Temperatures are going to feel like they are in the teens by the time we get to midnight as that northwest wind continues anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour. The rain chance, though, will be diminishing, and what does fall will be in the form of very light rain or perhaps a little sleet mixed in. And because yesterday we were in the 70s, the ground is still fairly warm. It's going to take a while for the ground to cool down. It's the elevated roadways, the bridges, and the overpasses that are surrounded by cold air that could have some problems. As we go through the late afternoon hours, the freeze line is in the northwest parts of southeast Texas. So where you see that light green and blue from Columbus to Brenham, College Station, Huntsville, you've got temperatures below freezing. That is freezing rain with a mixture of some light sleet. Now, the pink line, that's your freeze line, which makes it into the western suburbs of Harris County and into West Houston by 6 p.m. Also, about halfway through Fort Bend County and into most of Wharton and Jackson counties. Up north, it's already through most of Montgomery County, all of Walker County, and into parts of San Jacinto Polk County. So it's after 6 p.m. we could start to see a few problems popping up, but notice the precipitation basically coming to an end as we head towards midnight. There will be one more little jet stream disturbance that tries to pop up a little light precipitation in our coastal counties starting around 3 o'clock in the morning. So there could be some freezing rain and some sleet down in Matagorda County, large part of Brazoria County. Most of Galveston County now looks to stay just above the freeze mark, especially as you get towards Galveston Island, Bolivar Peninsula, and for Chambers County as well. As we head to noon tomorrow, most of the precipitation from that second round is over, but we're still mostly below freezing, especially along and west of I-45. For most of us, we're going to spend 12 to 18 hours below freezing, which pales in comparison to the last year's winter storm when we had one stretch of 44 straight hours below freezing here in the city of Houston. We do think by 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we thaw out and those temperatures do get above the freeze mark. So again, that is more good news that we will climb above freezing tomorrow. Our latest ice cast does show some minor accumulations of ice, potentially all the way into the northwestern half of Houston, Harris County, basically along and west of the 59-69 corridor. South and east of there, not so much, and those again are considered to be minor accumulations. Now, it is going to feel incredibly cold. The feels-like temperature 6 o'clock into the teens, and it stays there through the night, even dropping down into single digits in places like Bay City, Wharton, Columbus, Huntsville. So a wind chill advisory in effect to alert you to the possibility that people, pets, livestock that are exposed to this cold air could potentially get hypothermia. And it's going to feel incredibly cold all day. The wind chill factor does not get out of the 20s on Friday. Make sure that you bundle up. So our rain chance now is 40% or less. It'll be dwindling through the night. Still a 20% chance of a little light precipitation Friday morning. We do get above the freezing mark Friday afternoon. We'll drop back down to freezing Friday night and Saturday night, and then we thaw out as we go through next week. So yes, there is still a low possibility, a low risk of some light icing on some elevated roadways. But overall, we think we're going to be in okay shape with things timing out just right for us to avoid major icing conditions in our part of Texas. Our weather team will continue to keep you calmly aware and informed as long as we have to deal with this cold snap. Thanks for watching.